So art belongs to nature and is an area of realization of human abilities. I believe that art consists in knowing the laws of nature and in human emotions expressed in various ways, for example, in dancing, singing, music, painting, etc. Art located at the very top of natural pyramid and obeying only to laws of nature and having no rules created by man. That will be important through the whole lecture. So art only is running under the laws of universe and does not have any rules created by man. Connection of mind and body. My lecture will be kind of manifest or declaration of the laws of nature. Very often being diving in the small details, I think we're forgetting about the general ideas and major reasons for dancing. I take a risk. There will be no top dance demonstrations in my lecture. I will be only using the power of words and will try and hope it will be enough to impress you. First, you have to understand movement and then to be able to realize it. Except reflectional movements, they happen without our desire automatically. Your body obeying only to your mind and realizing only not only someone's commands, advices, whatever, but only your own mind command. Only. This is important. We all are trying to be better in our skills. Body movement, footwork, physical abilities, speed, musicality, etc. But the best compliment for dancer is still not how fast you are, not how strong you are, but how natural you are. So it's not about speed. It's not about being fast or strong. It's still something about nature. So what does it mean to be natural in dancing? We call these people nature boy, nature girl. So come back now to the first part of my title called Universe. The famous dance philosopher Jean Nouvel, it's very important for every lecture to use someone from the great in the past to make lecture really serious. So I'm not exception. The famous dance philosopher Jean Nouvel wrote, "When dancing, we are participating in the vibration of the universe." There is nature exists. Nature creates the universe and structured it very well through the laws of nature. And universe has a rhythmical structure. You can see and know that we have a sun cycles, moon cycles, then day and night challenging each other. We have hours, minutes. It will be interesting to know that it's not just happens that we have 24 couples in the quarterfinal, 12 in the semi, 6 in the final, and 1 will win. I'm sure it was not happened just. People who created the structure in the past felt it as natural. We have 24 hours in a full day. We have 12 months, we have zodiac symbols. It's all numbers which belongs to universe and which reflect it in our competition structure. Nature also created energy and fulfilled universe with this energy. And energy is everywhere, and everything in nature are different statuses of energy. The wooden floor is energy, the air is energy, my words are energy, even information is also an energy. To be correct in movement from the point of nature means to know laws of energy and to be able to control the streams of energy. Laws of nature exist without our desire. We could not create laws. We only could discover them as scientists, and that's actually what every teacher is doing in his life, trying to understand and discover it more deeper and deeper. Man could make rules, but when it goes from the God level to the human levels, it's a big chance that there will be mistakes, because man is not equal to God. That's why art belongs to nature and to universe and running only by laws. And that's why it still exists and will be exist forever, I believe.